So I've been reading the comments and replying to as many as I can, as I always do, and recently I've been seeing that many of you have been having issues with rainbowing on some of the screen protectors, especially the ESR one I reviewed for the iPhone 16 Pro. If you're not sure what rainbowing is, I'll try and show it on screen now so you get an understanding of what it is. And I can say that I have noticed it when looking at the corners. It's not something that personally affects me in a way, but I can see why some of you don't like it. So in today's video, I think I have a screen protector that will actually remedy that and might be a better solution for you if that's something you're worried about. But before we get into that, my name's Almir, aka Mr. H Tech, and on this channel we make tech simple. So if it's your first time here and you like tech content, especially iPhone stuff recently, do subscribe to the channel for more content coming out. Hit the like button and share with your friends and family so more people can see the videos. And also hit that notification bell if you want to be notified as soon as a new video comes out. So let's check it out. So if you haven't seen rainbowing before, let me show you exactly what I mean. So usually it's when you put a screen protector on, it doesn't have any borders. Sometimes around the edges you can see sort of like a bunch of different colors, that's why they call it rainbowing. So let me show, it's almost like a distortion. Hopefully you can see it on the camera. It should be in the corners and over here. So let me know in the comments box below if you actually see it on the screen. And yeah, some people have been noticing that they do not like that. So let's take this screen protector off, and I think we have a solution here by Torras. So Torras is quite a known brand. So let's see what we get in the screen protector bundle. In the bag here we get an extra screen protector. We get card, some cleaning wipes, and a user manual. Don't think we'll need any of that, maybe the cleaning wipes. So we'll just give the screen a bit of a wipe. Now this does come with an easy installation guide as well. So let's see, and you've got a scraper on the back here if we need it. So I believe this is the guide. Let's turn the screen off and give it a wipe. We're going to see exactly how easy this screen is to actually install. So looks clean to me. I think, let's see, on the screen protector we've got a top and we've got a bottom, anti-fingerprint design, edge-to-edge protection, anti-dust, and effortless installation. So should be pretty straightforward, I believe. Do we put the, I think we just put the phone. It's clean. Give it one more wipe. So put the phone at the top like that, clip it in, push down here, and then I believe we'll just pull this. Keep pulling. And should be done soon. I think we can take it off, maybe from the bottom, and as you peel it from the bottom you'll see the top of the screen protector section will also come off. There's a little bit of bubbles, but squeegee them out. They're just trapped air, which the trapped air is not a problem at all. What you don't want is dust, which this easy installation actually avoids. So let's see, just a little bit of pressing. And the last one down here. And that's it. Screen protector installed. And with this one, what you're going to notice is you do have a black edge that goes around, unlike the other screen protectors, which should, in hindsight, should, and it looks like there is no rainbowing with this one, which is a great thing. It goes to the edge of the screen, as you can see. So that's actually really nice. You've got a nice black border, no rainbowing, and it goes to the edge of the screen. and it was a seamless installation, as you can see. Now, one thing you might be asking me is, how is it going to be with a case on, because it goes to the edge of the screen? Well, I've got a Torras case here, so let's pop it on. And it goes on no problem. And you might be saying, well, of course that's a Torras case, they're going to make it compatible. Well, why not put another case on? So let's see if we have another case. So here we go, we've got an ESR case and a mouse case, just to double check everything works perfectly fine. Mouse case fits perfectly fine, no issues. Now let's try the ESR case. ESR case, also no issues whatsoever. So it seems like the Torras one is actually quite good for getting rid of the rainbowing. So if that's something that you're having an issue with, this might be the one for you. Link will be in the description if you want to grab it. The last thing I'm going to show you is, of course, you get two screen protectors in there. So let's take this one off of the clip. And let me show you how to attach the second one, because you might be doing this for two phones. So then you're going to get the top of the Torras section. Before we clip it in, slide it down here. And clip in this section. There we go. And then we'll clip in the top sections. And now it's ready. So clip in the bottom first, then clip in the top, and now you're ready to install it on another screen, just in case you were wondering. So that was the Torras screen protector, and that seems to have fixed any of the rainbowing issues I may have seen before. With that black border, you really can't see on the edges, so I think that was one of the issues, especially with the iPhone 16 having such thin bezels. So if the rainbowing is something that is an issue for you, the Torras one might be a better option. Like I said, links will be in the description box below, and I'll show you some on-screen footage now of the corners of this one, just so you can see and be sure that this might be what you're after. But anyway, installation was super easy. Like I said, with these installation guides, everything seems to be very good, and I do like them a lot. If you like the video, do hit that like button below, share it with your friends and family that might be going through them rainbowing issues with the screen protector. Subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Hit the notification bell to be notified of when the newest videos comes out. There's plenty more coming out. And let me know in the comments box below if this is going to fix the issue for you, or if you've got a different kind of screen protector that you personally use, as I'm always interested to hear what kind of stuff you're using yourself. So as always, thank you for watching. I appreciate the support, and have a great day. I'll catch you on the next one.